Oh, look at this. Precious Piper is chewing on the packing material. Yeah, I was wrapping in here, and that one piece I left out because she was laying on it. And now she's playing with it, so I don't want to roll it up and put it away yet. I want to give her a chance to have a little fun. Yeah, look at that. Well, let's see if she's going to get back to it. Look at that face. Oh, yeah, she's such a pretty girl. She's such a pretty girl. Oh, she's looking at it again. There we go. Oh boy. Oh boy, that's fun stuff. Look at that. Hey, you have a tuffet. Hey, hey, you have a tuffet. Yeah, you do. Look at that. She looks at me so innocent. Oh my goodness. I think she needs a nail trim too. Yeah.